patient has that option of choosing a quality, safe and efficacious drug? No. And all those patients have put responsibility on our shoulders. You people who are developing these products, quality products, please provide us quality products, safety products and efficacious products. And last but not least, affordable medicines. Therefore, each one of us have to seriously think, am I providing the quality so that safety and efficacy is properly given to the patients? And this conference is a conference which gives us opportunity to check our knowledge, looking into the various functional domain experts here, to check our knowledge, current knowledge, whether we are really having that knowledge and how to cope up, and then also focus on those scientists who are doing science and technology development research in different new areas which may emerge in future as a regulatory requirements. So therefore, I believe this conference gives me at least an insight, what I know, what I don't know, what will be the future developments in the field. So, and really I thank OMICS Publishing Company for bringing this type of conference.
Now I request Dr. Sudhakar Apulpalli, the Director and Coordinator, Cell Signaling and Tumor Indulgences Laboratory from Boys Town National Research Hospital, United States of America, to deliver a few words regarding BIOBIO 2010.
Good morning to everyone. Seems to be everyone is related to the bio excellence and bioavailability amongst most of the companies. I am purely a researcher, so we identified in the circulating molecules, those related to the bioavailability. Nobody knows about those molecules playing role against the various diseases. I think maybe most of them going to attend the talk. We will see all those things. And I am especially thanks to this organizing and founder Dr. Srini Babu for the invitation. Thanks for calling.
Now I request Dr. Praveen S. Heyanath from Pharmaceutics International Incorporation, United States of America, to deliver a few words regarding BIOBIO 2010.
Good morning, everybody. Hope everybody has overcome the jet lag by this time. In this regard, conferences and meetings such as BIOBIO 2010 play a tremendously significant and a very important role in bringing pharmaceutical professionals from different disciplines, from academia, industries and regulatory bodies under one umbrella, which gives a wonderful opportunity to share our technical scientific information and to update our knowledge bases, and also to know about the new happenings in the field, and also to educate the young scientists and researchers in the field. I am confident that in the coming 3 days, there will be a lot of brainstorming sessions, scientifically enlightening presentations, and above all, a joyful learning experience for all of us. I thank the organizing committee of BIOBIO 2010, including the editors of Journal of Bioequivalence and Bioavailability, as well as the OMICS Publishing Group for their marvelous efforts and many sleepless nights in arranging this event, and I wish them a great success, and I hope we will all have a great stay here and we will enjoy all the presentations and all the proceedings. Also, please don't forget to taste a world popular Hyderabadi biryani, and have a safe stay here. Namaste and welcome to Hyderabad, India. Thank you.
I request all honorable guests to please take their positions in the front row. Why did you plan for BIOBIO 2010?
As you know, I am one of the executive editor of Journal of Bioequivalence and Bioavailability, and we planned a particular event on bioequivalence and bioavailability as per the plan from me and some of our editorial board of Journal of Bioequivalence and Bioavailability. We chose this Hyderabad location because Hyderabad is the hub of pharma. Hyderabad is the pharma capital of India. So we choose the Hyderabad is the first location for this BIOBIO meeting. Regarding this first conference, we got very good response from all over the world. Nearly of 350 participants. They came from all over the world across the continents of nearly 25 countries.
How do you see the opportunities for the contract research organizations in India in the field of bioequivalence studies?
In India, I know there's a large number of CROs working on bioequivalence and bioavailability. I think that's a very important area of research. I think Novartis, the company I represent, we have Sandoz, which is a CRO, not a CRO but works on bioequivalence as well. I think in India, I don't know for sure how the opportunities will pan out in the future. I think the big pharma companies and others have to develop new drugs, and that's all I can say. I don't really work in this area.
What are the challenges in bioequivalence testing?
Challenges in bioequivalence testing are those particularly become difficult for compounds that have highly variable pharmacokinetics, compounds that have very variable pharmacokinetics. And I think in terms of the bioequivalence testing, it's also important to have relevant dissolution testing methods that can discriminate between different formulations for these drugs.
Will the BA or BE studies help in reducing the prices of drugs?
I believe they can. The bioequivalence studies, if conducted properly with the right statistical power and the right scientific design.
Can clinical equivalence studies be used to substitute or support bioequivalence studies?
In some cases, that's the only choice we have. For example, in cases where plasma levels are too low to quantitate accurately in the test product and the reference product, so we may have to rely on studies in patients. We look at clinical endpoints, and for this type of studies, they have to be done in patients because it's not a single dose. It's usually they're dosed to steady state.
What are the challenges in bioequivalence testing?
Not quite sure what you mean by the challenges, but essentially the important issues are complying completely with the regulatory requirements in terms of the various requirements, GCP, GLP, all the standards which have to be in place to withstand an audit. Validation is very important to make sure that all the analytical methods used are properly validated according to international standards. And then, of course, the clinical studies which need to be done according to all international standards, including ethical standards as described by the WHO or the Declaration of Helsinki, and complying to good clinical practice. So you need to build that kind of infrastructure, and I believe that many institutions in India have already complied with that.
If India takes the lead in developing CROs to carry out bioavailability and bioequivalence studies, does it help the world? If so, how?
Well, as far as the lead's concerned, I think India has made tremendous progress. I operate in various countries around the world. I'm at the moment have a research program in South Africa, but I do operate from North America and particularly in Canada. And I do find that many of the sponsors are sending studies to India. I guess India are managing to provide studies very economical and very competitive to other countries, and their standards are moving up